Fire striker.
Fire striker, baby.
You know what a fire striker is? Fire striker is a piece of high carbon steel that is used in conjunction with a piece of flint to make sparks.
I didn't see you on Dual Survival.
Okay, exactly. Yeah. And you use those in conjunction with charred cotton cloth, and that's how you catch the spark, or one of the ways to catch the spark. So the first thing we got to do is warm up a piece of file steel. I've already drawn out at home when I had some extra time. I drew some files out. This is a piece of file that I started out as a file, and then I drew the steel out, making a long rod. This is the stock that I'll start with.
They have to have the heat so they can get the iron down where they can bend it and everything.
Steel in and of itself is very tough, very strong. The only way I can comfortably shape and bend it and form it is to get it hot and soft. At that point, even though this is a high carbon steel, I can still bend it and shape it.
None of his toys make noise. It's like 4 to 3.
Okay, I'll start by drawing it out to a point. It's already cooling off to the point where I'm going to have to stop pretty quick. I only work so long into this steel.
So it's turning colors back to normal? Yeah, you can't do anything else, like you said.
Well, I can still do some processes to that, but there's some that I can't.
Right.
It's already too hard. Yeah. It's difficult to put this in perspective of heat, but when I put that back in the fire, it was some 1,200 degrees and it was too cold. Okay? Have you ever had hot water splash on you, boiling water? I'm working with steel that can be up to 10 times hotter than that boiling water.
It'll really burn you.
Yeah, I'm still healing up from it.
When I bring this steel out and it's kind of that orangey yellow color, it's up there in the upper teens nearing 2,000 degrees. All I'm doing is drawing this out, making it longer and thinner because the metal's still too thick. There's only two things I can really do to steel, and that is to draw it, upset it. Draw it is to make it longer and thinner, upset it is to make it shorter and fatter. And all the processes that I do just about are encompassed in those two. If I bend a piece of steel, I'm actually upsetting the inside and drawing the outside as it curves. Okay, now the next heat, I'm going to round off this end, and then I'll put a little curl on the end.
Pretty cool, isn't it?
This portion right here is where I'm going to be working on next. I do as much as I can while the steel is straight, and then once I have to take it out of straight, it starts getting more and more difficult to work. So I try and work as many processes out while the steel is in the straight form. Now we've got them with a scroll on the end.